Consider a society where wisdom is passed down through generations. Family bonds are indestructible, and compassion and collaboration dictate survival. This is the world of elephants, majestic wild giants whose social lives are as diverse and complex as ours. In today's episode, we'll take you deep into the savannah to investigate elephants' remarkable social relationships. Elephants teach us the true meaning of devotion, empathy, and intelligence through their wise matriarchal leadership and the amusing antics of young calves. Join us as we learn the secrets of elephant communication, lasting friendships, and how they mourn, celebrate, and defend one another. Prepare to be astounded by the emotional depth and wisdom of these gentle giants. Subscribe to SavannaPulse for more wildlife tales, exploring the matriarchal society. The matriarch is the wise leader of the family unit. At the core of every elephant herd is a matriarch, an experienced and knowledgeable female who guides her family through the trials of the wilderness. She is the one that remembers the best watering holes during droughts, teaches future generations how to navigate the area, and makes critical decisions to secure the herd's survival. With her extensive knowledge and commanding presence, she earns her family's confidence and respect, guiding them through times of abundance and suffering. Family bonds, intricate relationships within a herd. Elephant civilization is centered on strong familial bonds. Mothers care for and defend their calves with unshakable devotion, while aunts and elder siblings play an important part in nurturing the young. Cousins have playful interactions that help them acquire social skills. These strong relationships form a support system in which every individual contributes to the herd's well-being, ensuring that no one falls behind. The power of memory, a legacy of excellence. Elephants are known for their exceptional memory, which is essential to their survival. They recall family members' features and sounds even after years apart, and they celebrate reunions with long-lost relatives. Beyond family, their memory includes past events, such as the safest migration routes, water supply locations, and even positive or bad contacts with humans. Because of their ability to retain and pass along knowledge over generations, elephant herds are more than simply a family. They are a living archive of wisdom. Communication goes beyond words. Trumpeting, rumbling, and shaking the ground. Elephants' multifaceted language. Elephants have an extremely extensive and complicated mode of communication that goes beyond vocalizations. Their legendary trumpeting indicates joy, anguish, or warning, while deep rumbles, some at frequencies too low for humans to hear, carry signals across long distances. Even more remarkable, elephants can hear vibrations in the ground, utilizing the sensitive pads on their feet to detect distant calls, approaching danger, or even the movement of rival herds. This complex language allows them to communicate even though they are thousands of kilometers away. Social cues and body language. Understanding elephant communication beyond noises. Elephants communicate through subtle but powerful body language. The location of their ears, the sway of their trunks, and even how they touch each other all have significance. A raised trunk can indicate inquiry or greeting, whereas soft trunk interweaving between elephants conveys warmth and reassurance. When challenged, an elephant may expand its ears to appear larger and more frightening. Understanding nonverbal cues allows researchers and conservationists to get insight into people's emotions and social interactions. Problem solving through collaboration. The collective intelligence of elephants. Elephants are among the most intellectual and cooperative members of the animal kingdom. When confronted with hurdles, they rely on teamwork and shared problem-solving abilities to develop answers. Elephants have exceptional cognitive ability, whether they are working together to rescue a stranded calf, designing food-gathering techniques, or memorizing safe migration routes. Studies have demonstrated that individuals can evaluate situations, consider risks, and even employ tools to achieve their objectives. This ability to make joint decisions demonstrates their strong social relationships and intelligence. The wisdom of elders. Learning from the past. The role of older elephants in passing down knowledge and skill. Elders in elephant societies are knowledge keepers, passing down critical survival abilities to future generations. Years of experience teach them the best routes to water and food, how to avoid predators, and how to communicate with humans. Young elephants study and replicate their elders' habits, learning how to feed, communicate, and navigate their surroundings. This intergenerational transfer of wisdom ensures the herd's resilience and adaptability to changing circumstances. The value of excellence, the herd's collective wisdom, determines their survival. Survival in the outdoors requires not just strength, but also information. The matriarch, normally the oldest female in the herd, remembers important knowledge from previous droughts, such as where to discover secret water sources and how to respond in times of crisis. Even in times of peril, such as confrontations with predators or poachers, the herd relies on the wisdom of its senior members. This collective wisdom assists the group in avoiding risks and ensuring its long-term well-being. Respect for elders, their role in maintaining harmony within the family. The elephant cultures are based on a strong regard for their elders. Younger members look to them for advice, whilst the matriarch and senior elephants act as mediators, resolving problems and strengthening ties throughout the herd. This respect goes beyond life, as elephants have been observed mourning their deceased elders, pausing to touch and scrutinize their bodies in a show of grief and devotion. Their strong emotional connections demonstrate a deep regard for those who came before them. Guardians of the land, elephants as ecosystem engineers, shaping the landscape and influencing biodiversity. Elephants are commonly referred to as ecosystem engineers due to their significant environmental influence. As they wander across large expanses, they open trails through dense vegetation, dig water holes with their tusks, and even disseminate seeds from fruits they devour, allowing new plant life to thrive. Their motions contribute to a healthy ecology by supporting a diverse range of species, from birds nesting in elephant-shaped trees to smaller herbivores that benefit from the open areas they generate. Without elephants, many ecosystems would struggle to survive. The effects of human activity on elephant communities, despite their vital role in biodiversity conservation, elephants are being threatened by human activities. Habitat loss, induced by deforestation and growing agriculture, pulls elephants into smaller, more fragmented regions, resulting in human-elephant conflicts for resources. Poaching is a threat in some areas, fueled by the illegal ivory trade. Human development pressures impede elephant migration paths, limit food and water availability, and endanger entire herds. Without immediate action, these gorgeous creatures may suffer a severe decline. Importance of conservation: protecting elephants and their habitats for a sustainable future. Conservation activities are crucial for the sustainability of elephant populations and their ecosystems. Protected reserves, anti-poaching measures, and strategies to mitigate human-wildlife conflict all contribute to a safer environment for elephants. Furthermore, community-driven conservation programs enable local communities to cohabit with elephants while promoting ecotourism and sustainable land use practices. Raising awareness about elephants' importance and supporting conservation organizations can help to ensure their survival for future generations. A legacy of compassion. Elephants' enduring bonds, a testimony to the power of family and community. Elephants are extremely emotional creatures who create lasting ties with their herds. Trust, empathy, and collaboration underpin their social relationships, with each member contributing to the group's well-being. When a calf is born, the entire herd participates in its care, with aunts and older siblings acting as guards and caretakers. Elephants also mourn the loss of loved ones, as evidenced by behaviors such as delicately caressing the bones of departed family members and standing silently. These intimate relationships demonstrate the strength of family and community. Lessons we can learn from elephants, building stronger community. The social structure of elephants provides great insights into cooperation, leadership, and resilience. Just as elephants rely on their matriarchs' knowledge and communal problem-solving, humans thrive in cultures that value mentorship, mutual support, and shared responsibility. Their gestures of goodwill, such as consoling troubled herd members and collaborating to overcome obstacles, remind us of the value of compassion and unity in our own lives. By studying elephants, we can learn how to build stronger, more connected societies that value empathy and teamwork. The future of elephants, a call to compassion and action. As human activities continue to endanger elephant numbers, their survival depends on global awareness and action. Conservation initiatives must not only protect elephants, but also foster cooperation between humans and wildlife. We can help ensure that elephants live in the wild for future generations by supporting ethical tourism, pushing for anti-poaching laws, and contributing to habitat protection. Their heritage of wisdom, resilience, and compassion is worth preserving, not only for themselves, but for the entire planet. Join SavannaPulse as we continue to discover the untamed beauty of wildlife and share nature's unseen stories. Subscribe, share, and join the campaign to protect our planet's most incredible wildlife.